Hello everyone, how are you children? I hope all are fine by the grace of God. Children, today in English I am going to explain grammar in use children. In previous class I already explained word power children. Now all of you open your page number 43. Open your page number 43 children in English. See, fill in the blanks with in or into. What is this children? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with in or into. See children, what we should write here? We don't know, no children? See, right now I am going to explain about difference between in and into children. In and into. In. See children, here what are you seeing children? What is this? Do you know? Badam milk is there children. Where is the badam milk here children? See here. Where is badam milk? The milk is in the cup. It is already is there children. No? Where is the milk? The milk is in the glass. No? What? The milk is in the glass. It is already it is there. No children. The in the cup. The milk is in the cup. Tell me, repeat after me children. Where is the milk? The milk is in the cup. All of you see children. Milk is there no in the cup? Badam milk is there children. Okay children? Where is the milk? Now you understand now where is the milk? The milk is in the glass. No children. Now into. Into children. We have to write here in or into no. It is used to show movement children. It is used to show movement. See children, it is empty cup is there. Here one glass of milk is there children. No? See, all of you see children here. It is transformation of anything. Anything to another children. See here. From the glass. See here. From the glass. We have to pour children from the glass. It is going to the cup. See children. Now it is into. It is a movement children. Into the cup. No? From the glass. It is going to the cup. It will call into the cup. No? It is movement. It is showing that. What it is showing children? It is movement children. Movement. See here. It is showing the movement children. Now you understand children? Into the cup. Understand children? Now you understand no? This is in the glass. It is from the glass it is pouring to a cup. Into the cup. Now you understand no children? Where is the milk? Like this. That is, it is showing to movement children. Now you understand no children? Now you have to write children this complete. She came into the room. Write here INTO. Into. She is sitting in the. Already it is sitting. No, she is sitting in the room. The child fell into. The child fell into the river. The child fell into the river. They are swimming in the river. In the river. They are swimming in the river. See children. There is a frog in the well. Can you see the frog children? There is a frog in the well. In. In. There is a frog in the well. See, the frog jumped into the well. See children, the frog jumped into the well. It is movement, no? Into. 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 The frog jumped into the well. Now you understand children? Into or in or into? No? Thank you children.